Oh, yum yum. My mouth is watering and I was fasting until now.
If you want to follow along on your Sunday morning, check out the link in the description for the tasty recipe on the fluffiest pancake.
Yeah,
So
great.
this mix is like really good consistency, as you can see.
Very light.
And it's perfect. Is it hot now?
Yeah, it's hot.
Get
Right.
medium low.
Yeah.
Isn't that good?
Yeah, now you throw it in. Yeah, that's good. Okay, you can put chocolate chips now. This is the best pancake mix Nikita figured out. Fluffiest homemade from scratch pancake recipe.
Because it has all the butter in it.
It's like really light and it has buttermilk in it. So it's really cool. I think that's enough.
You can never put too many.
What?
You can never put too many.
And I'm making tea on the other side.
Yeah, so these come out really fluffy, really, really good pancakes. It comes out really good. Like, just look at the batter, you know? Like, it's really good batter.
It's lumpy, okay? And those lumps are pieces of milk in it.
Mom, stop mixing it.
No, not.
I learned how to flip the other day.
Yeah?
So now I can flip this pancake and let's see how it comes out. This time?
Is it breaking?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not ready yet. Give it some time.
It's good.
Yeah, you're getting it. Get it through. Like, get it. All of it. No, no. All of it. No, no. Wait, wait, wait.
Yeah.
Wait, wait. What's the part?
No.
Let me show you one. Yeah. To get the broken piece on your thing. Okay, now flip it before it breaks.
Wait.
Wait, Nikki. Wait it. Wait. Just leave it.
Okay, bye.
Okay, now hold. You know what's wrong? You're not getting this. And this will break further then. Alright. This is good. It's like holding a frog from one leg and the rest of it is like waggling. So you have to hold it so it sits very well, okay? And then you flip it.
Okay.
I think we got a little bit of chocolate here, but still it is really good. You can't even imagine how soft this pancake is. You can't imagine.
So good.
Navya, if you don't come, we're going to eat your pancake, okay? Tea is ready here. Navya, you're fixing pancakes and you're delaying everything.
I think it's good.
Down. Just turn your tray here. Turn your wrist around. That's all. It will go.
Okay, now I need chocolate chips. Ooh, looks good. Mom, record it.
That looks good. Yeah, you can see the bubbles. How it's bubbling. Tea is getting ready.
I'm gonna flip it this time.
Yeah,
So
looks
you
like
flip it by taking the edges, right? Right?
Okay.
And then taking the pan and tilting the pan?
You have to first, yeah. You have to get
All of
the
it?
frog to sit on it
Yeah.
when it is not falling down. But I think it's not ready yet.
It's just like pale.
Pale. Okay, we want it little golden. How much homework is left, Nikki?
Too much.
Like still be 4 hours or 5 hours. Don't touch it. Let it sit. Let it cook.
I don't know.
4 hours.
I don't know, Mom.
Better finish it in time because
I think it's done, right?
7:30 class today is, guys. My first today is what? May 21st is my first. Oh, look what Nikki's doing it like a pro. Ooh, there you go. May 21st is my first singing class starting.
That was scary.
Yeah, but you did it. Yeah, and you did it right. See how beautiful it looks. Ooh. किसी ना किसी को है बनाया किसी के.
Not recording.
Okay. This looks good. Let's see how it's burning the butter on the edges. So let it cook
Why?
because it has to. You have to see the bubbles here. Then you know it's ready.
Looks like a lot of bubbles to me, Mom.
These look very good.
Mom,
It's not done yet. Trust me.
why?
I know.
What if it burns?
It's not going to burn. It has to cook. It's not even
just
ready
check it.
yet. Ready?
Look, I
Flip,
don't
flip,
know.
flip karo, flip karo. You have to
Yeah,
get the
it's
whole
ready.
thing.
I'm aware. Get the frog to sit.
What are you doing? This is after teaching you so much? Ati, very bad. That's okay. It is still better than bad. Many people do it very bad.
Mom.
No, it's fine. It landed fine. It's good. It's your third flip. I have flipped like how many times? 4,000
It
times.
doesn't matter, Mom.
There's a difference between
Mom,
third
it's
flip
not,
and 4,000
look at the
flips.
thing.
Yeah, that's how it has to come out so it cooks. Let it cook now.
It's a pretty good pancake though. It has like, I think it's the best quality out of all of them because it's the smallest in size, so it's the thickest and fluffiest.
Yeah, it's thick.
I think we're done.
No, no. Do you see how soft it is? Okay, maybe you're right.
Put it face up.
All right.
Okay, so this is how I make the
Put
pancake,
syrup. Put
right?
syrup on 3.
I'll just get the syrup. What syrup do we have?
We have the best syrup ever.
Which one?
It's right there in the center.
I
Do
see,
you
I see, I
see? Yeah. Yeah. Carefully, carefully. Don't spill anything else. Okay. It's pure maple syrup.
Okay, so this is going to be the finishing touch, okay?
Ooh, that looks really cool.
So then the syrup starts to puddle around it, but not perfectly because that's what we want. And close.
Oh, yum yum. My mouth is watering and I was fasting until now.
Get a good bite. Look. It's really fluffy, more like an actual cake.
Yeah, it's
Not
really
like a
good.
pancake.
It's
I'm gonna
really,
take
really
this
good.
bite.
It's like the best cake ever, actually. Homemade from scratch. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
एक्सरसाइज हो रही है खूब
It's
Homemade.
fluffy as normal.
And we are feeling very proud. Successful too.
It's fluffy.
I
It's
hope I recorded myself. But
delicious. It's perfectly sweet. Perfectly not too sweet. The syrup isn't too sweet at all. The chocolate's perfectly sweet.
Maple syrup. It's mapley. Maple.
There's something about it that's really perfect. I don't know what it is.
You know what? I think what is perfect is the fact that Nikita is very hungry. And it actually came out good. So we are very happy. So here we go. Oh, how do I change? मुझको है तुझसे राबता.
All three of these pancakes.
Everything has
I
a
have a
place.
feeling your finger is.
You can never put
hold
anything
it like
when
this.
cooking.
Hold the phone like this.
Okay, wait. When cooking,
Just hold the phone like this.
it is good. But
Hold the phone.
I want to tell you something.
No,
This is very
take your.
important.
You can't hold it like that.
This thing could melt with the hot leather.
Oh yes, I know. Do we have whipped cream?
I don't think so.
Okay, so that's fine.
You guys are not eating what is in the fridge is full.
No, don't turn the phone like that, Mom.
Wait, 1 second.
I want you to look at this pancake because you didn't record anything.
I did.
Dad, be quiet for a second.
शॉप राइट में
Dad, be quiet for 1 second.
ओके
I think.
Recording.
Oh, what? I don't know how to flip it now. Next pancake is going to be ready. Wait. Record every time we flip it. Throw the butter in. Yeah, you can have the tea. I'll give you chai. Can I stop recording it now?